Today, I'm going to share with you 3 of the most boring but easiest steps to get your first or next 1,000 email subscribers. I've been running my online coaching business for over 6 years and have been able to make $5,000 or more by sending a single email to my list. I have new people joining my email list every single day, and I'm able to make money whether I'm working or not because of my email list. And if I wanted to get 1,000 email subscribers as quickly as possible, these are the exact 3 things that I would do. Now, the first thing I would do is create a lead magnet. Now, I know lead magnets get a bad rap, but it's not that lead magnets don't work, it's just that you have been building them the wrong way. I started my first email newsletter back in 2019 as a 22-year-old spiritual life coach, and it was something called Wisdom Wednesdays. So every Wednesday, I would send my list a quick email just giving them some nugget of wisdom to help them grow in their spirituality and their life. Quite frankly, I had no idea what I was doing. When I was trying to grow the email list, I didn't know about email marketing, I didn't know about digital marketing or marketing in general. So I would just tell people, hey, join my newsletter, or like subscribe for updates on my life. And I got some friends and family to sign up for just kind of moral support, but no one really was a buyer, and it was just kind of like friends helping me out. So over the years, I learned that it's not about having a lot of subscribers. You don't need to have millions of subscribers or followers or even email subscribers to make some really good money. You just need one person on that email list that's willing to pay you whatever you're charging, if it's $5,000 or $10,000 or $3,000 or $20,000 or whatever it is. So yes, it's not about having a lot of people, it's about having the right people on your list. And as you get more of the right people, you can have a big audience of people who actually do want to buy from you. So to build a list of targeted people, that's where I learned about lead magnets. I've definitely built my fair share of lead magnets and had many free, awesome PDFs that people download, and then they just keep wanting more and more PDFs and just building a big list of freebie hunters. So I've had to clean out my list quite a few times. It took me a long time to realize how to actually create a good lead magnet that sets up my paid offer, because that is really the key. I think Alex Hormozi has the best definition on what a lead magnet is. He says that a lead magnet is a complete solution to a narrow problem given away at a significant discount or free to attract ideal customers. And the fact that Alex Hormozi is even talking about building lead magnets and recommending that you should probably means that you should. You see, the problem that people do with lead magnets is that they go really wide and shallow. They'll cover their entire coaching system and just give like little nuggets and just talk about what they do instead of actually solving a real problem. So instead of thinking about going wide and shallow, I want you to think about going narrow and deep. The key to having a great lead magnet is quickly solving a persistent problem your audience faces. And by solving that persistent problem, you're opening the door to new problems that your paid offer solves. So for example, if I help you create and sell online courses, and that's my main core offer that you would pay me money for, then my lead magnet would just be helping you find your profitable course idea. Because one of the most persistent problems that course creators have is that they have 100 different ideas inside their mind and they don't know which one they should pursue and start putting all this time into to build a course around. Hence, it's a persistent problem. So you want to think about, what is this thing that people are constantly struggling with, or people come up to you and they're really trying to figure out, and it's like everybody asks the same question, and then solve that in a simple PDF or a short video. That's what your lead magnet is. And in order for people to get that resource or that video or training or guide, they have to give you their email address, and then you send it to them via email. That is how you build your email list. Again, the key isn't to build a big email list just for the sake of having a lot of people. We want to build a big email list, but we want those people to be the right people. For me personally, I'd rather have 1,000 targeted people who want to pay me or who are interested in the thing that I can help them with on an email list, rather than 20,000 people who are just kind of there. And if you think about the psychology behind a really good lead magnet, is that when you actually deliver on a problem, if you are bouncing around ideas on which online course should I create or which product should I build, and then I give you a resource or a template with the training and I actually solve that problem for you, what do you think's gonna happen? You're gonna be like, man, that really helped me. Maybe I should look into what else this person offers. And also, by solving the problem of knowing what their course idea is, now they're thinking, well, how do I build the tech? Like, how do I structure the lessons? How do I actually market this? How do I turn it into passive income? There's all these other problems that are showing up now, but you delivered on your promise of actually solving the problem. And then your paid offer solves all the other problems. So when you have a list like this, it makes it so much easier for you to actually generate income, because you have these people who trust you enough because you actually solved a problem, and they're interested in the other things that your paid offer can help them with. So when you reach out to them, it's like, hey, you pick this thing up. Did you figure out your course idea? What is it? And you have context. So now it makes getting a actual paid client so much easier instead of just cold DMing some random person. And when your lead magnet is enticing enough, then people actually want to join your list, because what you don't want to do is what I did in the beginning and a lot of people do. Join our newsletter or subscribe for updates. Like, nobody cares. People want you to actually solve their problems, because that's what business is all about. So the first thing I would say to do right now is just to think about what is one persistent problem that I could quickly solve for my audience with a short PDF or some kind of video, and then go build that. Now, real quick, I just want to say, if you are trying to build a coaching or consulting knowledge-based business, you want to take this idea or experience you have and turn it into a 10K plus per month online business, then I want to invite you to my next Ideas to Income Challenge. This is a 5-day live coaching experience where I am in the room with you live, answering your questions personally for an entire week. It's not some course or pre-recorded webinar or anything like that. I host these once a month, and I would love to see you in the room if you're the type of person who either knows you have something great, but you don't know how to market it, you feel like it's just some daunting task to actually make money from it on the internet, or maybe you've been trying to grow a coaching or consulting business for the last couple years or months, and it's just like nothing is really working. If that's you, then I highly recommend that you check out the Ideas to Income Challenge. It's 1 to 2 hours a day, and during this challenge, I'm going to walk you through how to clarify who you help and the result you help them get, and how to turn that into a simple system that gets you your first or next paying clients. If you actually do the things in the challenge, there's no reason that you couldn't start making money during the challenge or getting your next paying client set up during the challenge. So if you want to check it out and join us on the next Ideas to Income Challenge, I'm going to put the link down in the description, and then you can see when the next date is. Now, once you've built your lead magnet, now you have a reason for people to actually join your list, and you're building not just 1,000 email subscribers, but 1,000 of the right email subscribers who want to actually pay you. The next thing we have to do is just get in front of the right people consistently without it taking over your life. But how do you do that? What I'm about to share with you is probably the most boring way for you to get your first 1,000 email subscribers. When I was trying to grow my email list back in the day, I would cold DM people every single day, trying to get them to join my email list, but the work was not actually relating to any kind of email growth or income. I was putting in so much work for minimal results. Around that time, I started making YouTube videos and really diving into my podcast, and inside of the content, I would make targeted content and then offer my lead magnet as the obvious next step. Now, some videos took off and started bringing in hundreds of new leads every single month, and I wasn't doing anything. The thing about long form evergreen content is that when you make an evergreen topic, like how to start an online business or how to do downward dog in yoga, that content is not going anywhere. The topic is evergreen. People are constantly trying to get into yoga or starting an online business or whatever it is that you can teach them. So when you make targeted content that people are already looking for on a platform like YouTube, or even with your podcast too, people are constantly discovering this topic and discovering you. When you deliver value to them inside a video like this or a post like this, then you promote that lead magnet as the obvious next step. People are just automatically going to pick it up, and you are just going to see your email list growing every single day overnight, whether you're working or not. Think about what's happening right now. You're watching this or listening to this piece of content, and I could be doing whatever. I could be going on a date with my girlfriend. I could be sleeping right now, but right at this moment, I'm filming it, but it's living on forever. It could be months or years after this video goes out, and people are still discovering it because people are always trying to grow their email list. This is the thing that makes growing your email list so simple and easy, and it's just happening on autopilot. All you had to do was just make a piece of content and be consistent with it. Every single week, you can make a good YouTube video or podcast episode, and it lives on forever. So you create what I call compounding content. Every post builds off the last and works like a digital employee that's constantly getting you discovered by people you can help. And then your lead magnet is inviting them to take that next step into diving deeper with you. So when your lead magnet complements your content and feels like extra value, the right people are going to download it while you're doing whatever you want. I can't think of a more simple and boring way to actually grow your email list than that. This is the exact strategy I use for myself in my business and with my clients. Like my client, Jason, he used this exact thing. He had his lead magnet, he was making YouTube videos, and at just 12 videos, he had already landed a $3,000 coaching client. At the time of this recording, Jason has 16 videos and almost 700 subscribers. And we just had a call the other day at the Ideas to Income Challenge, and he said that he has already made just under $20,000 from his YouTube channel alone. Again, it's not just building a big email list, it's about building a targeted email list. And when you make YouTube videos around the topics that you can help people with, They're going to discover those videos, build that relationship with you, and then you promote your lead magnet within the video as the obvious next step to dive deeper with you. And that helps you build a targeted email list 24/7, whether you're working or not. So if you just do those two things alone, you have a killer lead magnet that attracts the right person and it sets up your paid offer, and you're making consistent, evergreen, long form content that's getting you discovered 24/7, you will get to 1,000 email subscribers literally in no time. And the best part is it is so boring, it is so simple, but it actually works. If you want to get massive email list growth of the right people, then this last tip is by far the thing that you cannot avoid. So years ago, I was trying to do everything myself to grow my coaching business. I was doing networking, cold DMs, making content, creating everything solo, and my growth was really slow. But something I've always stuck with in my business has been my podcast. It is the longest running channel that you can go back and see like my very first episode from when I was a spiritual life coach to becoming a productivity coach to now doing online business coaching. So I started interviewing experts on my podcast, sharing how they have grown their businesses around their expertise to show my audience what it really takes to actually monetize your knowledge. At this point, I've done over 600 episodes and the podcast has grown to a top 2.5% global show. It's become an absolute staple in my business, but it's not because I have the biggest audience in the world or anything like that. A lot of opportunity that I create comes from the guests who come onto my show. You see, when I interview an expert on my podcast, we build this relationship way faster. And then a lot of them have their own podcasts or they host a virtual summit. So I get invited to other people's podcasts who have bigger audiences than me. And when this really clicked for me, the massive email list growth was when I went on someone's podcast, got on their platform in front of their audience, and I just taught my content and then promoted my lead magnet to their audience. And I got over 100 new email subscribers in the first couple weeks of that episode airing. And because I had a good lead magnet that set up my coaching and led to booking a call with me, I landed a $10,000 coaching client. Partnering with people who already have built the same audience as you, or even an audience that you can serve, is one of the fastest ways to growing your business and your email list. They've already built the goodwill with their audience and put in maybe months or even years building an audience to a certain size. And then when you get in front of that audience, you get to piggyback off of the trust that they have with that creator. So if you spoke to my audience who I've already built and you're brand new, but I believe in you and I think you have something great to offer, and I could say, hey, Sharon is amazing. People are like, well, I like James and James thinks Sharon's amazing. I should go follow Sharon. It is one of the fastest ways to grow your audience and your presence online by not building an audience yourself, which you should still do, or paying for it with paid ads, but instead borrowing other people's audience by doing collaborations. The sooner you understand that there is no such thing as competition, there's only collaboration, the sooner you are going to grow an awesome business and email list. Even if people are teaching the same exact thing as you, the way that you teach it, the stories you share, your point of view, just your voice even, or your mannerisms are going to resonate with different people. You and I could talk about the same exact topic. We could deliver the same exact transformation and provide a similar service. Some people are going to relate to you more than me, and some people are going to relate to me more than you. It's just how it goes. So don't limit yourself by thinking, oh, that person already does what I do. No, I've been on stages and podcasts with people who have the same exact audience as me, and they deliver the same result, and their audience will still come over to learn more from me because some of them just like me. Obviously, many of them stay with their creator, but some of them say, actually, I like the way that you teach it. We are all in this together, and it's just about collaboration. Now, I mentioned that building a solid lead magnet is the biggest thing that's going to help you not just build an email list, but build a list of people who actually want to buy from you. So if you haven't built your lead magnet yet, or you want to refine it, watch this video next and I'll show you how to create a lead magnet that actually converts. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if this video was helpful, please like it and share it with somebody else. Other than that, take what you learned here, get out there and make something happen. And I'll see you in the next one.